Wake up!
Hey Rosa, what's up with you lately? You've been sleeping in class.
I have been up too late studying. You know, finals coming. They're coming. They're coming. Driving me insane.
Who's coming?
Finals.
Yeah.
Math finals and English finals. Science final. Science final. I'm not gonna be able to handle that.
I think she's not.
I'm done.
Like a feeling in my bones, coursing through my veins. When did I become so cool? I'm insane. Like a feeling in my bones, coursing through my veins. When did I become so cold? For good.
Crap. That was just a dream. Studying no more. I'm done. Late night study sessions, my butt. For goodness sake, where is my self-control? If home is where the heart is, then my heart has lost all hope!
You turn around and see her sleep.
How about I do that?
Okay.
Wake up! Wake up!
Oops! I didn't mean to hit you.
Wake up! I thought I was looking over there.
You looked up here for a few seconds though.
Okay, I fell asleep. Just saying.